Dear student, welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Navada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today I discuss the remaining questions of exercise 16A that is related to the area of the sector, segments and the area of the circle. So now see here, first question is related 47. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC of side 12 cm. That is side 12 cm side will be, and find the radius of inscribed circle and then the area of the shaded region. So it is the question, this part of the shaded, then what is the area of this shaded region? So dear student, your first work is what is the radius of this circle. So AO is to OD is always divided to ratio 2:1. Suppose let OD is equal to R, that means AO is equal to 2R. Then what is AD? Then AD is equal to 2R plus R, that is 3R. Because in equilateral triangle, the circumcenter, the incenter, the orthocenter and the incenter, circumcenter and orthocenter and centroid are lies on the same point. So this is the altitudes and it is also median, it is also angle bisector, it is also perpendicular bisector. So it is the centroid and centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio, then it is 2, then here is 1. So it is 3R. But according to the equilateral formula, triangle formula, AD is the height. So what is AD? Then AD is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. So your question is root 3 by 2 and side is 12 cm. Then cancel here, that is 6 root 3. So AD is equal to 6 root 3 and here 3R is equal to 6 root 3. Then what is R? That is 2 root 3 cm. So R is equal to 2 root 3 cm. So first question is you find the radius of inscribed circle, that is 2 root 3 cm. After that, find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to the area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into R square A square minus area of circle, that is pi into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. What you get here? Here value is 1.73 given it. Here is 4 into 12 minus 22. Sorry, it is given 3.14 into 2 into 2 into 3. So it is 4 3 are 12. Then here is 36 into 1.73 and minus 3.1 into 12. So dear student, you multiply this and multiply here and subtract it, and that is the area of the shaded region. So what I will conclude here? Here first we conclude that the centroid divides the altitude into 2:1 ratio. So suppose it is R, then it is 2R, then AD is the 3R, and we find AD with the formula of the altitudes of equilateral triangle, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into side, then that is 6 root 3. So from here you find R. If you find R, then your question is what is the area of shaded region? So area of equilateral triangle subtract the area of circle. So equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, and circle area is equal to pi into R into R, that is pi R square. So you subtract this, then you get your solution. Next question number 50, that is a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Then find the area of the minor segments. Dear student, it is a circle and radius of 10 cm subtend a right angle at the center. Here is a chord and subtend 90 degree at the center. its name is ABC and its radius is 10 cm. So here is 10 and there is also 10, and your question is what is the area of this segments, that is minor segments. So here solution you write radius is equal to 10 cm, theta is equal to 90 degree, and your question is find the area of minor segments. So write here area of minor segment, area of minor segment is equal to theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. It is the area of the minor segment. We subtract the area of triangle from the area of the sector. So now what is theta? That is 90 by 360. What is pi? That is given in your question, that is 3.14. R, that is 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 r 10 square into sin 90. Here it is 94 ja, here is 100, then cancel this 0 and this 0 cancel. So your answer is 314 by 4 and minus 1 by 2 into 10 into 10 and into value of sin 90 is 1. Then cancel 5 ja. So here is 314 by 4 minus 50. You divide it and then you write what is the answer of the solution, that is the answer. So first you divide 314 divided by 4 and subtract 50. It is your answer, cm square. It is the answer of the minor segment. So the question is very easy. Chord is given and chord makes the 90 degree at the center. So it is the theta and the radius of this radius is given 10 cm of the circle. Then r is given, theta is given. Your answer is only find out what is the minor segment. Then write the formula of the minor segment, that is theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta, and only substitute the value of the given questions and then you get your solution, that is your answer. Now see question number 54. A circular disc of radius 6 cm is divided into 3 sectors with central angle 90, that is 90, this is the central angle, first disc is 90, next 120 and third is 150 degree. Your first question arises from here, that is what part of the whole circle, is the sector with the central angle 150 degree. Your question is that area of circle is what part, and suppose part will be x, is equal to the area of sector with angle 150 degree. Dear student, your question is the what part of the area of circle is equal to the area of the sector with the central angle 150 degree. Your question is here, that is what part of the whole circle is the area of the circle, is the sector with the central angle 150 degree. So what is the formula of the area of the circle? It is equal to pi r square. It is what part, that is x. And the area of sector is the theta by 360 into pi r square. You don't put the value of the radius 6 cm, don't write it because no need to find the area of circle with the radius of 6 cm. So there are no need to write the value of 6 cm in the questions. Your question is that what part of the area of circle is equal to the area of the sector with the central angle 150 degree. This is pi r square into x and this is theta by 360 pi r square. This pi square cancel. That means x is equal to what? You will cancel here, and it is 5, 3 5 ja, and 3 12 ja. That means 5 by 12 part of the circle is the area of the sector. So area of the sector is the 5 by 12 part of the area of the circle. So your first question is what part of the area of circle to find the area of the sector. Next question is here that what is the ratio. Next question is here that also calculate the ratio of the areas of 3 sectors. There are 3 sectors in here. That first sector is area is 90 by 360 pi r square. Next, the area of sector is 120 by 360 pi r square, and third is 150 by 360 pi r square. And you have need to find the ratio of these 3 areas with the central angle at 90, 120 and 150. So when you find the ratio like at 60, ratio 40 and ratio 30, then it is equal to the 6 ratio 4 is to 3. Then common part is the removed from there. Then actual ratio will be 6 ratio 4 is to 3. But here is 60 ratio 40 and 30 given. Then you can write 6 ratio 4 is to 3. Similarly here, what part are common between them, among them? What part are common among them? Here is pi r square, there is pi r square, here is also pi r square. Here is 360, there is 360, here is also 360. So first remove it, then you get here only 90, here you get 120, and there you get 150. The ratio. Then next other also common among them, that is 33 is 90, 34 is 120, and 35 is 150. Then it is clear the ratio of these 3 parts is 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. It is your answer. So dear student, don't write the value of r in the questions. If you solve question to find the first area of this sector and then find the ratio, then very tough you have to find the value of this. So try to solve by this method. Common part remove from here, and then you write the ratio will be 3 ratio 4 ratio 5. It is your solution. Now see question number 58. In the given figure, triangle ABC is right angle at A. Semicircles are drawn on AB. Here is AB, and one semicircle is drawn here. That is the semicircle, whose diameter is the AB. And AC, here is AC, then one semicircle is drawn here. And BC there, so next semicircle is drawn there. As a diameter, it is given that AB 3, AC 4. Find the area of the shaded region. So your question, find the area of the shaded region. So solution right here. Area of the shaded region. Shaded region is equal to. Before the area of the shaded region, you find what is the BC. BC is equal to under root AB square plus AC square. Because A is right angle, then it is clear BC is the work as the hypotenuse. If the BC is the work as hypotenuse, then BC is equal to AB square plus AC square. Here AB is 3 square and AC is 4 square. Hence you write it is 9 plus 16, that is 25. It is equal to 5. So BC is 5. After that, what is the area of the shaded region? It is equal to the area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle on AB plus area of semicircle on AC and minus area of semicircle on BC. How is it possible? C1 times figure is there. If it is right angle at A, then one is semicircle is here, next semicircle is there, and area of the triangle. Then all figure are three. First semicircle, second semicircle, and third it is the triangle. Then it is the area of the whole figure. Now your question now take as a BC as the diameter, and hence one semicircle is drawn here. So from the whole two semicircle and triangle, you subtract this semicircle, then it is clear it is the area of the shaded region. So how you write here, area of ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height plus area of semicircle 1 by 2 into pi into r square, that is 3 by 2 square, plus 1 by 2 into pi into r square, that is 2 square, and minus 1 by 2 into pi into pi by 2 whole square, because pi is the work as the diameter of the last semicircle. So what you get here? So dear student, you write it is 2, that is it is 6 plus here is 1 by 2 into 9 by 4, 9 pi by 4, and plus it is 1 by 2, that is pi by 2, pi by 2, because 2 to cancel, sorry, it is 2 pi, here 2 pi, because 9 by 4 into 2, here is 1 by 2 into pi into 2, that is 2 pi, and there is 25 pi, 4 to the 8, and minus 25 pi by 8. So what you get now? 6 plus, it is 9 pi by 8 plus 2 pi minus 25 pi by 8. 6 plus calculation 8. It is 9 pi plus 16 pi minus 25 pi. Here is 6 plus 25 pi minus 25 pi by 8. This 25 pi cancel. That is 6 plus 0. What you answer? That is 6 centimeter square is your answer. How it is possible? First, find the area of this semicircle, then find the area of this semicircle and add the area of triangle. And after that, you subtract the area of this semicircle, then you get it is the remaining part of the area of the shaded region. So don't write the value of pi. Never put the value of pi as like 22 by 7 or 3.14. First you calculate it. If it is possible, if it all are cancelled, then that is the answer of your solution. Otherwise, if it is not cancelled and some pi are given, then after that, last time you write the value of pi. So dear student, these 58 questions you try by yourself like this. Dear student, now see question number 16. In other book also given this question number 59, that is related to the area of the track. So see in your book, that is it is 59 or 60 maybe. So your question is here, the inside perimeter of the running track. Here is a running track. The perimeter of inside, that means the perimeter of this part is given 400 meter. Perimeter of the running track of the inside is given 400 meter. The length of each straight portion is 90 meter. It is a straight portion, it is given 90 meter. It is also given 90 meter. And the inside the semicircle, both are inside the semicircle, both sides. If the track is 14 meter wide, that means it is the width and it is given 14 meter. It everywhere. Then find the area of the track. Then your question, what is the area of this portion? It is the area of the track, and you have to find what is the area of this portion. And after that, also find the length of the outer boundary of the track. Another question is, what is the length of this outer boundary of the track? So dear students, first your question is, The inner perimeter is given 400 meter. So write perimeter is equal to 400 meter. What is the inner perimeter? You find out if it is radius is r, then this portion is known as pi r. Because it is a semicircle and the radius of this portion is r, then it is clear this is pi r. So perimeter is pi r. Similarly, this side also pi r. So you write perimeter is next pi r, and two sides are straight, that is 90, and it is also 90. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 400 meter. Dear students, these insides are boundary. There are four parts. First part is their semicircle, second part is their semicircle, third part is it is 90, and fourth part is it is 90, and then it is the whole part of the boundary of inside it. So it is 400 meter. Now it is 2 pi r and plus 180, then you get here 400. Then what is 2 pi r? Then 2 pi r is 400 minus 180, that is 220. You write here 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 220. Then what is r? Then it is 220 into 7 by 2 into 22. Then 22 10 jar and 2 5 jar. Then 35 meter. It is the radius of the insides of the semicircle. Next, if it is radius given insides of the semicircle, then it r is equal to 35 meter. Then what is the capital R? Capital R is there. Here is 35 meter and there is 14. Then capital R is 35 plus 14. Then you write it is 49 meter. It is the capital R. Now you question what is the area of the track. First, from the perimeter, you can find what is the radius and the capital radius, and after that, your question is what is the area of the track. Area of track, dear students, here are two rectangles whose breadth is 14 and length is 90. So we write here area of track. Area of track is equal to 14 into 90. That is the area of this rectangle. Breadth is 14 and length is 90, and there are two rectangles there. Here is 90 and there is 14. Then it is the part of the area, this portion and this portion. And other than here is the this part and there is the here. Then it is form a ring. So these portions of the part of the track and this portion of the part of track, when enclosed like this, then it is a form a ring. So it is equal to pi r square minus r square. So dear student, it is 28 into 90 plus 22 by 7. It is you write r plus r and r minus r. Then it is 28 into 90 plus 22 by 7 r plus r. That is 49 plus 35. 9 4 9 5 14 4 4 6, that is 84, and r minus r is equal to 14. So 7 2 14. Then write 28 into 90 plus 24 into 22 into 4, that is 44 into 84, and after when you add it, then you get that is the area of the circle region. So first, dear student, you find the area of rectangle and then add the area of the 2r, this part, then it is form a ring, then add the area of ring, then you get area of the track. After that, your question is also find the area of perimeter of the outer track. So it is the perimeter, this part is the called perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Now outer part, perimeter is equal to, it is 90 plus 90. Here is 90, then it is also 90, there is 90, then it is also 90. So 90 plus 90 and plus pi r, capital R, because now track is here and the radius will be capital R, so it is pi r and here is pi r. Then it is 180 and plus 2 pi r. Now you write it is 180 and plus 2 into 22 by 7, and capital R is 49. So 7 7 are 49, then it is 180, and plus 44 into 7, it add it, then it is 8. It is the outer perimeter of the triangle. So now dear student, try to solve other question of this exercise. If you have any problem, then ask to me. Thank you dear student.